We stole Mama March's phone, and today we're teaching you how to make some chicken cutlets.
Do you even know how to make chicken cutlet?
No, but Mama Marcia does.
Let's call her.
Mama Marcia, we need your help make some cutlets.
I'm coming right away.
Okay, boys, it's time to make chicken cutlet, right? Let's
Yep.
show everybody. We already bought the chicken cutlet already cut, see? And then I pound them. They're called chicken cutlet already cut. Not the breast, the thick one. They're already cut and you pound them so they become nice and thin, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, you betcha.
Now I'm gonna show you. You have to do it actually. Gently pound so you can
That
learn.
wasn't gentle. That was pretty harsh.
Gentle.
Okay.
We can try too. Okay. Okay, so the chicken cutlet.
Nice job, Mama Marcia. We're even gonna chef. Fake a shower and fish.
First thing to do is to prepare your ingredients and your line, right? Do you understand what I'm saying? So we need eggs and breadcrumbs. We are going to put the chicken in the eggs. We need to put the eggs here, and then we're going to put the chicken cutlets in the eggs and then in the breadcrumbs. So I'm going to make a line: chicken breast, eggs, breadcrumbs. It makes sense, right? We have to go this way. Let's crack the eggs. I'm gonna use 3 eggs. Hey guys, stop being goofy. Boys, so these are the eggs, right? We're going to put some salt and pepper. Pepper and salt, or salt and pepper. You can also put Parmigiano Reggiano, but today I'm just gonna keep it simple as usual. Not cheddar! Red flag! Okay, so we're going to beat it together. Okay.
Yeah.
Eggs are ready. Okay. I'm not gonna put the Parmigiano because I don't want to grate it. Okay. So we are pouring the breadcrumbs in here. No! Our line, it's ready. Do you see everything, boys?
Yeah.
Okay, are you paying attention? Because otherwise, you're going to do a test if you want to eat the chicken after. Right?
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah.
like protein?
I love protein.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have the chicken. I'm going to use my hand, but when you're gonna do it, you can use a glove. This is a chicken breast, it's thin, right? It has to be thin. We're gonna put it in the eggs. Both sides, we have to coat it with the egg wash. And then this is the breadcrumbs. This is the fun part. We're going to put some breadcrumbs on top, and with your, what is this?
Your fist.
Your fist.
Fist. So now you pound down, you pretend there is somebody you don't like here. Okay. So you pound down. So the breadcrumbs is gonna be stuck in the chicken. In Italian, chicken is called pollo. Look how beautiful is this chicken cutlet, boys.
Oh
How many grams of protein?
13.
13. Okay. Lots of protein. Okay. So when you're done, you put it on a side gently. Remember, both sides, eggs, right? And then breadcrumbs. Okay.
It's funny when he does it.
Anything I do is funny.
Breadcrumbs. And then you, with your, what is called this?
Your fist.
Fist. You're becoming Italian, Kalle.
I am.
Yeah.
Not Russian?
No Russian.
She's Russian.
Okay, guys, now it's time to fry the chicken cutlets, right? We have to fry them because I already made them baked. You do not like them. So fried cutlets are simply to die for. Oil, I'm using sunflower oil and it has to be hot. So you probably ask yourself, how do you know when the oil is ready, right?
Yeah, how do you know?
So you grab a small piece and now it's frying. So you can put the cutlet, right? You need to be hot oil, very, very hot. Okay, like this. I'm the cutlets queen, right? Okay, boys, when you fry, it's very dangerous. So pay attention because this is gas. Hot oil, it can blow up a house. Okay, put the plate and the fork and the mat. Okay, guys, so what do you think about the chicken cutlets?
They are so good. Can I buy your cookbook?
Yes, of course. You can go online. That's it. /shop. You can buy the ebook now.
Okay.